a treatise in the Republic on justice, yes, but also on human nature, because he's also going to explain where the ideas come from that encourage Plato and others to think that what Plato depicts is right. Plato, who's also a human being, is using his mind, his reason, whereas Homer is clearly not using his reason, because if he was, he would recognize that he can't portray the gods and the great characters as just when they perpetrate injustice. So where does that come from in Homer? Well, it comes from his passion. And so what he does is he starts to talk about human nature, and he divides it into different parts. He says there are three parts to human nature. There's the reason, or the mind, and the passions, and then there's something in between there, which we'll call the thumos. This is the spirited element. And what the thumos does is it connects the passions to the reason. Now, the chest is the part of us that is moved to action. The thumos can pull you around both ways, and in general, what Plato is going to argue is that the process of education should be led by the reasonable part of our human nature and not by the part of our human nature which is just prone to emotional responses.